Hello, this is the walkthrough video for challenge 13, and we're going to start by showing the technical acceptance criteria. I need to show that I'm using, let's see here, MySQL 2 and SQLize packages to connect to a MySQL database. And we come up to here to connection. We are importing SQLize, and we are using the .env package to store sensitive data. Right here we have the .env for the name, the user, and the password. And I need to show that we are syncing the SQLize models to the database. So if we go to the models, go to say category here, we are using SQLize to connect these models to the database. And here are the definitions for the columns right here. This is for category. We have one for product. Once again, we're using SQLize. These are the definitions for this table, for these columns. And we have product tag as well here. And we also have tag table as well, definitions here. We are using the model associations outlined in the challenge instructions here. So we have the product belongs to category. Category has many products. Product belongs to tag through the product tag, and tag belongs to many products through product tag. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the functionality of this application. We're gonna bring up the terminal here, and I believe we have to start with actually setting up the MySQL database. So we're gonna get into the MySQL shell. We just type in the terminal, the CLI here, user root, and we have password. That works. It looks like it worked. Let's just show the databases so far. And the database that I want is not here. So we're going to add a database, and we're going to start with, let's see here, create database, and it's going to be called e-commerce_db. All right, so let's show databases, and we did create it, so that works. So we're going to quit out or exit out of MySQL shell, and we're going to add the seed values into the database that we just created. So we're going to do npm run seed. All right, and it looks like the seeds have successfully been added to the table. We're now going to do node server.js to run the server, and we are listening on port 3001. And if we bring up, let's see, Insomnia, I already created the requests. Let's start with the get category. If we go here, get categories, there's the URL for that. We send that, and we do get a list of all the categories. We have shirts, shorts, music, hats, shoes. We can get a category by ID. Let's just say if we want, let's just say we get, well, let's say we get 5. So category, I already wrote it in there. You would type in 5 right there, and we expect shoes. Let's just, for the fun of it, let's just do 4, and we get hats. So that does work. All right. Same for products. Let's get, maybe we want to see all the products. So we're going to go to get products. Send, and here we have all the different products associated with shirts. Well, we have plain t-shirts, running sneakers for shoes, branded baseball hats for hats, and for music, top 40 music compilation vinyl record. And for shorts, we have cargo shorts. So it does work. Let's get a product by ID. Let's get let's see, let's get a top 40 music compilation vinyl records. So we come here, let's get, oops, the ID right here, and we should get, there we are, top 40 music compilation vinyl record. All right, so the get product by ID does work. Let's view by tags. So if we view all the tags, press that, then we see all the tags associated with the top 40 music compilation vinyl records for rock music, pop music. Right here, so rock music, pop music. For baseball hats, we got blue colored hats. For cargo shorts, let's see. Oh, I'm sorry. For blue, we have baseball hats and cargo shorts. Under the red tag, we have baseball hats, and that's it. Green, baseball hats. White, plain t-shirts and running sneakers. And for gold, just plain t-shirts. For pop culture, we also have top 40 here. All right, let's get a tag by ID. Let's get let's just get let's see what 5 does. So okay, well we saw that it's going to be green for baseball hats. So let's get another one. 6 was white, and we get plain t-shirts and running sneakers. Those are associated with the tag of white. Okay, let's try creating a new category. So we come to create category. I already put one in here just for time's sake. We're going to create the category called mouse. Maybe we want to include mice in the store, the e-commerce store. So we're creating this. It's going to be ID. Let's see. Well, yeah, it's going to be ID 6 category mouse. If we get categories, send it. Yeah, there it is. We created the mouse. We can get the category by ID just to test it out. And there we go. We don't have any products associated with it yet. So let's create a product associated with category for mice. So we're going to go to create product. And I just made one here already. Gaming mouse, $80. We have 15 in stock, and I made some tags for this already just to give it some colors, different colored mice that we have. So we're going to send that. That should work. Let's get all the products, and let's see. Let's come to the bottom here. Let's do it one more time. There we go. We have gaming mice. We've got red and green. Those are the tags that I put in, that I hard coded, or that I just added into that body right there. Let's see. So we see that the create product works. Let's maybe we want like a different color for the mouse because we have red and green. So let's create maybe a new color for the mouse. We'll create a new tag. And I created one already here for in the JSON body. We're gonna create a black color tag for it. Let's go ahead and we send that. It's gonna be this one. Let's just see all the tags. Send this. That was 9. So let's come down to 9. And we did create a tag for that. Great. I didn't update that tag with the product. Well, let's just to show that this ID does work. Let's just do this. And there we go. It does work. So we need to update the product. Before I do that, I'm just going to go in order from category product to tags, but I will fix this so that it does show association, that it does work. Let's see. Or we can just do it right now. I guess it's fine. So we would update the product. Okay. I think I tried. No, wait. Oh, this I. Well, you know what? let me go in the order that I said I was going to do it in. So let's update a category. We have the category of mice here. I want to update it to microphones. So let's go ahead and we're updating. It was category 6. So updating, we have 6 here. We're going to change it to microphones instead. Let's go back to the categories and send. And there we go. Instead of mice are gone, and now we have microphone. We can get the category there, and we see that we have microphones. We don't have any products associated with yet. So let's go ahead and let's change that. Since we updated the category to microphones, we're gonna, let's say, update the product. So we're gonna have the brand Yeti. We got the price, the stock, and I'm adding these tag IDs 5 and 9. And 9 was the other tag that I had created up here, which was, let's see, 9, which we said was black. So we come back to update product. We should see 5. I forget what color 5 is, but we should see black at least. So let's send this, and let's get all the products. See this. Come back down to the bottom here. Yeti. Okay, it was 5 was green. There we go. So we had 5 and 9 is black. So this has been updated with these tags. Let's just say that we want to. Let's just say that we know we ran out of black, but we have a new color. We can update the tag, and we're going to use silver instead, and it was tag number 9, right? Tag 9 was black. So let's update that, and let's just say that we have silver now. So if we do that, let's just see. Okay, so great. Now we see that by ID, we have, instead of it being black, it is now silver, and it is associated with the Yeti microphone that we created. Okay, and let's just say we want to delete any of these categories. We can just delete by ID. The one that I created was 6. This is just to just double check. ID 6 was the microphone. And delete specifically number 6. We do that. Deleted. If we go to the categories here, you can see that the microphone is gone now. We don't have ID 6 anymore. If we try to get ID 6, we should say, yeah, no category found with this ID because we deleted it. If we go to the products, let's see, we created the Yeti, and is it still here? Yeah, it's still here. So we don't have any more microphones, so we don't have any more Yetis. Let's delete this product by ID, which is 6. We have 6 here. We delete it. We just check in here, and no more Yeti microphones. We look for it by ID, which was 6. No product. Oops, a little mistake there. I'll fix that later. No product found with this ID. And let's check the tags. We created the tag. Well, let's double check that. It should be, yeah, silver, because we changed it to silver. I didn't update it. So we do have this tag here. We don't have silver for anything else. So we're going to delete that ID by the tag number and click that. Tags. Let's get the request again. And we don't have ID number 9. And you can just double check if we do ID 9. No tag found with this ID. So everything works. All the routes are working. All the requests seem to be working. We can get, we can post, we can put, and we can delete categories, products, IDs by ID. Yeah, we can create them, update them. And I think that is all I need to demonstrate for this video. Let's see, I'm just double checking. I showed the technical acceptance. I created the table schema from MySQL shell. Demonstrated all the routes, and I believe that is it. So thank you very much for watching this video.